Hey there, Lisa, Divine Messages 333 LLC. I'm just bringing you a message. It's a Nature Speaks message, but I wasn't able to get video this morning. I tried, but I was too late. So the last 3 mornings, today is, what is it, February 25th, 2025. So the last 3 mornings, including today was the third morning, um, there was a cardinal outside when I woke up. And I was outside each morning, and the last 2 mornings I took video. I don't think I posted the one from yesterday, excuse me, but I probably will. Anyway, so I saw it was, and each morning it was a male cardinal. So if you don't know, males, cardinals are bright red. A lot of the birds, or maybe, I don't know if it's all birds, but a lot of birds that are male are the very vibrant colored birds. Okay, so this morning the male was singing again, and he flew over my head. And then I walked a little further, and I was taking out my phone to record the male, and then I heard another cardinal singing like right by my ear. And I looked up into the trees, and I saw that it was the female. And I know a couple days ago, in the video, I was talking about a male, could have been like a male relative that passed away, that or is going to pass away, and a female relative has already passed, and they could have been a couple, or there's like a couple in like human form that could be reconnecting. Excuse me, really tired, but I wanted to put this message out. So my condolences if you have heard that someone passed. But this could be a message for some people, kind of preparing you for incoming, because this morning again, as the male cardinal was singing, the crows were also squawking. I don't know if that's the right term for the crows, but they were making their sounds. So anyway, just putting that out there. And death is basically, it's just transformation. It's, we're kind of moving on into a different part of, I don't know, the cycle, or you can look at it as moving on to, it's not really like life as we know it, but it's transition. If this kind of resonates with you, but no one is or has passed away, this could be something to do with a partner, either past, present, possibly future, but I pick up more that it's something like more current, or very, very near future, kind of calling in your soulmate. So take it as it resonates, but I did want to bring that to you. I thought it was so cool. And so when I went to record the female, because I wasn't able to get there wasn't even a female that I was hearing the last couple days or around. I pointed the camera up and she was gone, and then I realized that I didn't hear the male still singing, so I looked up and he was gone as well. So, for anyone who this kind of sounds familiar, or you suspect it could be regarding a couple where one has passed, what I was getting is the one that passed is kind of returning to help the one that is passing transition. So that's all I have, and we will see you next time. Later.